श्रीमान् वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्के केसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Today is the most auspicious day, Ani Anusham. It is a divine Trinakshatram of our most compassionate Acharyan, Sriman Nathamuni. He is Nathan, the master for all of us, for the entire Sri Vaishnava community. Nathan, without whom we would all have become anathas, orphans. Without him, we would have been completely gone astray. Sriman Nathamuni, let us enjoy the greatness and glories of this Acharya Sarvabhauman and offer our obeisance, prostrations, dandavat pranamams at his feet again and again, punah pranamya. Swami Alavandar, his grandson, mentions in Stotra Ratnam, his grandson Yamunamuni, who is later known as Alavandar, was just 12 years of age when Nathamuni passed away. It is this Alavandar who inaugurated the spiritual leadership of Sri Vaishnavam by blessing with his kataksham on Ilayalvar Sri Ramanuja. Swami Alavandar writes in Stotra Ratnam, Namo Chintyadbhuta Klishta Jnana Vairagya Rashaye Nathaya Munaye Gata Bhagavat Bhakti Sindhave. Salutations to Sriman Nathamuni, who is completely firm and having ardent, single-minded devotion, focused devotion, bhakti to Perumal, Sriman Narayana. And he is a treasure of both Jnanam and Vairagya. And the familial lineage and Guru Sishya Parampara from Sriman Nathamuni to Sri Ramanuja Muni is Sriman Nathamuni, Sri Ishwaramuni. Ishwaramuni is the father of Sri Nathamuni. Nathamuni's son Ishwara Bhattalvan, his son Yamunamuni, Yamunamuni's son Shottainambi, Shottainambi's son Yennachan, his son Pillayappar, his son was Tolappar. That is the family paramparai of Nathamuni. Whereas the Guru Sishya paramparai is Sri Nathamuni. His prime Sishya was Padmakshar, also called as Pundarikakshar, Uyyakonda. His other 5 Sishyas were Kurugai Kavalappan, Nambi Karunakaradasar, Yeru Tiruvudayan, Tirukkannamangai Andan, Vanamadevi Andan, Uruppattur Achan, and Swagattur Achan. And Uyyakondar had a Sishya, Manakal Nambi. Manakal Nambi Sishya was Alavandar. Alavandar had 5 Sishyas, among them we know Sri Periyanambi, who is the Acharya of Ramanuja Muni in the Samashrayana Paramparai, Sishya Paramparai. Now, Sriman Nathamuni is the one who is the pivotal link for us to get the 4,000 Divya Prabandhams, the Nalayira Divya Prabandham of Alvars were retrieved by Swami Sriman Nathamuni. Sriman Nathamuni, when he heard the Aravamude, the Nammalvas Tiruvaimazhi, Patte on Tirukudandai in Kattumannar Koil, he was so overwhelmed and ecstatic about the sweetness, and he melted with bhakti listening to that ஆறாமுதே அடியேன் உடலம் நின்பால் அன்பாயே. When Bhattar, while he was performing Arati, was singing this verse, Sriman Nathamuni had uncontrollable tears when he heard this pasuram, which was first time he was listening to this pasuram. And at the end of this pasuram, there was, it said, out of the 1000, these 10 pasurams. So he was asking, do you know the other 990 pasurams of this wonderful series? He said, I'm not aware. Someone might be aware in Alvar birthplace, Nammalvar's birthplace. So he went in search of person who could give him these other 990 pasurams. But there was one Sri Vaishnava who could give Sriman Nathamuni the Madhurakavi Alvar's Kannenun Chirittambu, the 11 verses on Nammalvar composed by Madhurakavi Alvar under the title of Kannenun Chirittambu, which also forms part of Nalayar Divya Prabandham. These verses are the 10 Kalyana Gunams, virtues of Nammalvar, which are similar to the qualities of Perumal in terms of offering protection and salvation to a Jivatma. So by choosing Satakopa as the sole refuge, Madhurakavi Alvar has demonstrated the deep devotion, Acharya Bhakti, which is even greater importance than service to Perumal for attaining moksha. So these 11 verses were taught by that Sri Vaishnava to Sriman Nathamuni, who recited these about 12,000 times as a yagam, as a velvi, as in meditation, in dhyana. And the tradition avers that Sriman Nammalvar appeared in Jnana Dashai and blessed Sriman Nathamuni with the entire Tiruvaimazhi. Not only that, he blessed him with the whole Alvars, 12 Alvars Divya Prabandhams. The Nalayar Divya Prabandham was blessed to Sriman Nathamuni from Nammalvar. He initiated him with Panchasamskaram, and thus Sriman Nathamuni became the direct Shishya of Sri Nammalvar. Sriman Nathamuni is such a wonderful Acharyan who could make us be blessed. He blessed us with this wonderful Sri Suktis of Alvar. He blessed us with this Acharya Sambandham of Sri Nammalvar because of his deep devotion and the unconditional Maha Vishwasam. And he, because of the 12,000 times recitation, he was blessed with the vision of Swami Nammalvar. He is the one who made it possible for the deep, difficult to understand meanings of the Vedas and for us to understand through Divya Prabandham. It is like the Ullangai Nellikkanai, the Nellikkanai on the palm, which is crystal clear and as conspicuous and as self-revealing, that it is he who is the Acharya who blessed us with the treasure and is a link to our lineage of our Acharyas. Nathena Muninathena Bhaveyam Natavahanam Yasya Naigamikam Tattvam Hastamalakatam Gatam, Swami Desika mentions in Yatiraja Saptati. And also he mentions Galam Valamburi Anna Narkadal Adiyavarku Talam Valanki Tamil Marai Hindishai Tanda Vallal Moolum Tavaneri Muttiya Nathamuni Kadale Naalum Toludhaluvom Namakkar Nigarin Nanilatte. Who can be equal to us? None. There is no one who is equal to us because of being blessed with such a greatest Acharya, Sriman Nathamuni. Sri Nathamuni blesses us with the Tamil Marai. He could retrieve and download the Nalayar Divya Prabandham from Swami Nammalvar. He had set to various ragam, thalam and arranged through his disciples and his nephews, Melayagattalvan, Kedayagattalvan, to set to tune and singing these prabandhams with ragam and talam, thus propagating the verses in musical manner as sort of Sevai, Arayar Sevai to Perumal Ranganathan, which is being followed even by today by the same parampara and by the Arayars in Srirangam and other temples as well in Adhyayana Utsavam. And Swami Sriman Nathamani is the one who taught us with ragam and talam. Swami further states that such most benevolent, most merciful Vallal he had given us the invaluable treasure in the name of Alvars Nalayiram, and he is also the link of Sri Vaishnava Acharyas, and he is a gift to our Sampradayam. Sri Nathamani's lotus feet alone is our only refuge. Nathamani Kadale Naalum Thodudu Eluvom. Swami Desika says, I am proud and I roar that since we have the Divya Prabandham given by Sriman Nathamani, since we have such greatest Acharya in our lineage, which is down to our Prakritam, today's our respective Acharyas, Asmad Acharya Paryantam Vande Guru Parampara. There is nobody equal to us, Namak or Nigar in Nalinate. There cannot be anyone equal to us. We can have that Sattvika Ahankaram that we are blessed with such greatest Acharya Sarvabhauman Sriman Nathamani. Nathamani wrote 3 scholarly works, Nyaya Tattvam and Nyaya Tattvam, Yoga Ragasyam and Purusha Nirnayam. None of them is available today. But he is the one who composed the Taniyan for Tiruvaimali, Bhaktamritam Viswajananumodhanam, Sarvartatam Sri Satakopa Vangmayam, Sagastra Sakhopanishad Samagama, Namamyaham Dravida Veda Sagaram. Swami Desikan, however, refers to Nathamani's works. The Nyaya Tattvam must have been an important philosophical treatise, since both Ramanuja and Desika have referred to it. Nathamani made a significant contribution to Sri Vaishnava by this retrieving of Nalayar Divya Prabandham, rearranging them into 4 parts and introducing its recitation by the Sri Vaishnavas as part of the worship at temples. He orchestrated the recital of Nalayar Divya Prabandham. Following the teachings of Nammalvar, Sriman Nathamani seems to have advocated the adoption of Sharanagati, Prapatti, as the means of salvation in place of the rigorous Bhakti Yogam. Of course, Yamunamuni, the grandson of Sriman Nathamani, follows Sriman Nathamani in all aspects, in letter and in spirit, and he blessed us with this Gitartha Sangraham Stotra Ratnam Chatushloki. He also wrote Siddhitrayam, Agama Pramanyam, Mahapurusha Nirnayam, etc. So, Yamunamuni has made a significant contribution to the Vishishtadvaita philosophy with his works, and he blessed Sri Ramanuja with his divine Kataksham. Rest is history for us. So, if Sriman Nathamani, Yamunamuni and Ramanujamuni are the Muni Trayam who kind of expounded, propounded the Vishishtadvaita Sri Vaishnava philosophy, which was originally intact. It was there even before by the Vedic seers and other acharyas. Ramanuja owes his knowledge to the works of both Nathamani and Yamunamuni, as he himself acknowledges debt of gratitude in the opening verse of the Gita Bhashya. In the same way, he states that he is strictly following the views expressed by Bodhayana and other Purvacharyas in writing the commentary of Vedanta Sutram in Sri Bhashya. Adiyan's meager contribution to Sriman Nathamuni's Tirnakshatram. So please forgive me for any mistakes. The credit goes to the Acharyas' works and the beautiful the Charitram written by erudite scholars in Tamil, which Adiyan could translate. Kavitarkika Simmaya Kalyana Gunashaline ஸ்ரீமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமः. ஆச்சாரியன் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஆழ்வார் எம்பெருமானார் தேசிகன் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஸ்ரீமன் நாதமணி திருவடிகளே சரணம். அடியேன் தன்யோஸ்மி.